The gates were closed, and so this flow of water, which is really fast, was just being blocked. And the flow here was quite fast because that was one of the only routes that the water could take. But now we have unblocked the gates. I suspect all this water, which has been flowing quite fast round the gates and blocking up all the water, all the land, is now flowing through here, and hopefully will drain. I mean, we don't have to do too much more digging because you can see that area there. 5 minutes ago that was underwater with a proper stream flowing through it. This area here was flowing quite fast, so freeing these gates up has meant there's an easier track for the water to go, and hopefully will drain the land, which is very exciting.